Rapping with Drayton Dome.
This beat reminds me of Denzel Curry. It's super hot, spicy, call it curry.
Oh.
That shot goes in, it's water, call it curry.
Oh.
That's all I got.
That's all he needs. That's all he needs.
Little walking.
Save it all off. Let me paint a blue arrow on your head.
I'm gonna just say that in advance. GG. They're about to get dropped off 2-on-1.
No, we are not.
If they lose, Zakil, all those little dreads that you've been working on, they're gone. If I lose, they get to take a nice little fit from Zakil.
You don't think it's wrong with this?
Yeah. 1s and 2s, 1st to 13. Take back on everything. Make it take it. Yeah. I start with all versus man. I can't just like make it me versus the world because my name's not Lil Uzi.
Yes, sir. You can see me right here. Put it in buckets. Absolute buckets on these kids, bro. Denying the ball. You can't get it past. Not like that. Come up. Get it straight to the cup. Come on, bro. Zakil is a little boy. I'm going to say that on the record. He's a little boy. He's too little. Send him home crying. But in reality, we actually lost.
Yeah, they want a nice little 2v1, whatever.
We did it. It's tough out here.
Bro, what's good with him? You want an orange? you want an orange? Ah! They chose Mickey D's, so that's where we at. But we have a new surprise. My boy Ronald has made a grand appearance.
Just look at him, bro.
You did not just do that.
At our old stomping grounds, we're at the PC Mall, and I'm about to whoop this man in life-size Connect 4.
Me? So you're just gonna forget about quarantine? Like, I used to beat you like every single time. Stack it up. Go ahead. I win. Put it down. Boom, 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 boom. That's the dub.
That's a dub. But now it's my turn. We playing chess. All right, let's get it popping.
After a long, meticulous game of chess, JR found himself basically defeated, bro. He was sad.
Just take it already. Just take it. Why are you doing this? Just take it.
Checkmate. GG's.
You're gonna shake my hand for Connect 4.
Shake my hand. GG's. Yeah.
Not necessarily.
We're just searching looking for things, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Well, if you have any questions, let me know.
You're basically gonna see all my sons. We pulling up on their track practice. They got a home meet this Thursday. We're here with Kyle Pierre Lewis.
I know. This Thursday, you're working out to what's this? Cage,
It's actually called the Preserve. Yeah. How do you not know what it's called? Don't you film here? Wow, that's crazy. Their last rep. And now we're off. So as you can see, nothing too crazy. We're about to finish up this workout right here. We got John in the back. My hat's coming off, but this is what we do. This is kind of what we do. Nothing too crazy. Cool little 26. I'll catch you guys when I catch you. Why he gripping his shoe like that?
Throw my shoes.
I have to pay to get in.
You don't have to pay if your name's Nicard.
I'm gonna say I'm in student government. She's smiling when she saw you. You know her?
Yeah, I know Miss Sims.
Thank you. Hi.
Look at this,
Hey, Miss Sims.
this thing right here.
Do I have to pay for her?
I'll see you in a minute.
Thank you. Like I said, you don't have to pay if your name's Nicard. So, as I was saying, we're out here with the one and only Will from Sarasota. He's gonna go out there and snap. What you got on the menu right now?
I got the Uncrustable peanut butter grape jelly.
Okay.
Always a classic. Still a little frozen, but
Fresh out of American, Great American Cookies. How you feeling?
that's my employer, so like I can't legally speak bad.
And then we have the smoothest
Women
man.
History Month. Say hello to all women. NicardTV.
And we coming back.
NicardTV.
We making the comeback. We're here with Ricardo Tessini, the man himself. How you doing, bro?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm doing fantastic.
How's UCF?
UCF? I was just talking about UCF.
Oh, that's guys! Number one receiver
wrong, taken by Deontay Johnson. Dude, who wants no head? He got hurt!
He doesn't usually act like this.
Go!
What makes you don't want to bring this? You can't just say you, just this.
Your entire body system, sure. Or some neurons, like, I don't know the exact, like...
Your entire body system controls your brain?
Or some neurons.
I don't know, bro. That sounds a little fugazi to me.
Relax, water for late. How can I help you?
Hello. I was wondering, what's the wait time for...
Bro, listen. I can see the caller ID, like, I know it's you. You're not funny, little
What are you
man.
talking about?
We got hung up on that lobster.
See me in the mile at 6:30.
6:30. I'll be back for that. I had just gotten back a couple minutes too late to watch Ricardo's mile, which it's a shame, bro. Post mile with Jeremy Duque. Walk us through the race. How'd it go?
Usually I don't do this, but I was leading the first like 390 meters. The rest of the field was like
Slow.
the winning time was a 4:23.
4:23 mile. Yo, I spiked myself. I don't know what I was doing.
Oh my goodness.
When Nicard's on deck, we make things happen.
what we
when we're
do.
At the Northport track. 800. I dropped something crazy.
Try out something nice. What's the goal?
Sub 2 is the goal.
In case you guys didn't know, sub 2 is actually kind of hard. So we'll catch you guys in the 800.
We're doing it for fun.
I get it wide, I get the party lit outside. I get it wide, I get the party lit outside. I get it wide.
That was a fast piece.
I found the question, so maybe you can do a follow-up. Okay. Good to be back. I mean, 4:32 PR.
Yes, sir.
Good to be back. Love Northport. My last ever high school meet at Northport.
Don't stop.
That's my son, man. There's Akil, and we got Mark out there too. Nice little huddle. Let's go, baby. This is the best event of track. So this is the first lap. Will and Brian leading the race here. Final gun. This is where the race starts. We got the battle of Will versus Brian Williams. This is gonna be a battle. It's kick season, baby. It is kick season. He's gone. Akil! Let's go, Akil! Let's go! Let's go! That's gonna be right over 2. And those are the finishes we like to see. Zakil, you know what you just ran? You know what you just ran? This man right here is gonna be a menace. All it takes is one race. I'm gonna give him some time.
2-1, good start. Start of the season. We're gonna get, I'm telling you right now, at least 155.
155 by the end. You gotta keep me posted. 55 split?
55 split.
Yes, sir. Alec, where are the shades at?
Oh, I couldn't see anything, dog.
We do, guys. This is what we do. Hello from the future, or at least from the present, because today is Friday, the day that I've just finished this video. Maybe posted it by now, I think. And yeah, I just thank you. If you are one of those people who actually watched the whole thing, then hopefully it wasn't too boring or whatnot. And if you did get any sort of enjoyment out of it, then it's my pleasure. And we'll make a better video next time. So come back in the future, I guess. And with that being said, have a good whatever time of the day it is for you. And yeah, be safe out there, because it's a very interesting world that we live in.